In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update an auto number column in Smartsheet. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet that contains the auto number column you want to review or adjust. Make sure you're in the correct sheet before making any changes, especially if you work across multiple project trackers or request logs. Since auto number columns are often used to create unique record IDs, it's a good idea to confirm that you're editing the right one. Once the sheet is open, locate the auto number column at the top of your grid and click the column header. This is the column name at the top, not an individual cell. Selecting the header gives you access to the settings for the entire column, which is where the numbering format is managed. From there, open the option called Edit Column Properties. This is the area where Smartsheet stores the setup for that specific column, including whether it uses automatic numbering and how that numbering is formatted. If you've never opened this menu before, take a moment to read through the available settings so you understand what is currently in place. Next, review the auto number format. Pay close attention to the numbering style, including any prefixes, suffixes, or digit formatting that may already be applied. For example, some sheets use a simple numeric sequence, while others may include text before the number to match a project or department naming convention. Understanding the current format helps prevent accidental changes that could affect consistency. If Smartsheet allows it in your setup, you can then change the starting number or adjust the numbering pattern. This is useful if you need future entries to begin from a different value or follow a revised format. Keep in mind that this usually affects new rows going forward, rather than rewriting existing numbers that have already been assigned. After making your changes, save the column settings. This confirms the update and applies the new configuration to the sheet. Before moving on, give the sheet a quick review to make sure the settings were saved correctly and that the column still appears as expected. Finally, check new rows to confirm the auto number sequence has been updated. Add a new row or review a newly created one, then look at the auto number value that appears. This final check helps you verify that the sequence, formatting, and starting point are now working the way you intended. And that's how to update an auto number column in Smartsheet.